Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about what is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that takes the place of noun or noun phrase to avoid repetition and make your writing flow smoother. They come in many shapes and sizes, each with its own function. Look at the picture, which clearly represents first person singular. I, me, refer to the speaker. In this picture clearly represents first person plural. We, us refer to the speaker and others. This is second person singular. You, your, yours refer to the person being spoken to. Third person singular refer to a male person. He, him, his. For female, she, her, hers. Generally, personal pronouns refer to the specific people or things and change depending on who or what they refer to. Let's go to the example. For first person, I went to the store and bought some ice cream. Second person, example, do you want to come with me? Third person example, the cat chased the mouse but it got away. The next one is possessive pronouns. These show ownership and take the place of possessive nouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. For example, this is my book and that one is hers. The next one is demonstrative pronouns. These point to specific things, this, that, these, those. Look at this picture refers to something close to the speaker, both physically and in time. This one refers to something further away from the speaker, both physically and in time, that. The next one refers to multiple things close to the speaker, these. This is referred to multiple things further away from the speaker, those. This versus that used to distinguish between two things. These versus those used to distinguish between multiple things. Next we will learn about interrogative pronouns. These are used to ask questions. The first one is who, used to ask about the identity of someone. It is clearly represented in this picture. Look at this. The next one is what, used to ask about something in general, including objects, events, or ideas. Look at this picture. This one is which, used to ask about a specific choice from a group of options. Whom, used to ask about the object of an action or preposition. Look at this picture carefully. The next one is whose, used to ask about the ownership or possession. This is called interrogative pronouns. The next one is reflexive and intensive pronouns. Myself, herself, himself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves are representing reflexive and intensive pronouns. For example, the cat is licking itself clean. The cat is the subject performing the action on itself. They smiled at each other. Both subjects are performing the action on each other. The next one is I pinch myself to see I am dreaming. The subject is performing the action on itself. The next one is intensive pronouns. He himself built the entire house, emphasize that he did all by himself. Look at the picture. We ourselves witnessed the crime, emphasize that we saw it firsthand. Dear students, did you like this lesson? This lesson PDF available in my website. It is free to use. Thanks for watching. Thank you.